Question 1. Which prophet split the sea with Allah's command? Option A. Prophet Isa. B. Prophet Musa. C. Prophet Nuh. Or D. Prophet Ibrahim. The correct answer is B. Prophet Musa. By Allah's command, Prophet Musa ﷺ struck the sea with his staff, and it split, allowing the Israelites to escape Pharaoh. Question 2. Which prophet was able to speak in the cradle as a baby? Option A. Prophet Musa. B. Prophet Isa. C. Prophet Ibrahim. Or D. Prophet Yusuf. The correct answer is B. Prophet Isa. Prophet Isa ﷺ miraculously spoke in the cradle to defend his mother, as mentioned in Surah Maryam. Question 3. What is the first word revealed in the Quran? Option A. Bismillah. B. Alhamdulillah. C. Iqra. Or D. Taqwa. The correct answer is C. Iqra. The first word revealed to Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him was Iqra, in Surah Al-Alaq by Angel Jibreel. Liking the quiz? Hit like and subscribe for more. Question 4. What is the name of the angel who brings revelation to the prophets? Option A. Israfil. B. Mikael. C. Jibreel. Or D. Israel. The correct answer is C. Jibreel. Angel Jibreel is responsible for conveying Allah's revelations to all the prophets. He brought the Quran to Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him. Question 5. How many times is the name of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him mentioned in the Quran? Option A. 1 time. B. 2 times. C. 4 times. Or D. 25 times. The correct answer is C. 4 times. The name Muhammad peace be upon him is mentioned 4 times in the Quran. Question 6. Which prophet is known as Kalimullah? Option A. Prophet Isa. B. Prophet Musa. C. Prophet Ibrahim. Or D. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him. The correct answer is B. Prophet Musa. Prophet Musa ﷺ spoke directly to Allah on Mount Sinai. That's why he is titled Kalimullah. Question 7. Which of the following is not one of the 5 pillars of Islam? Option A. Zakat. B. Hajj. C. Shahada. Or D. Jihad. The correct answer is D. Jihad. Jihad is an important concept but not one of the 5 pillars. The pillars are Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Sawm, and Hajj. Question 8. Who was the first person to accept Islam among women? Option A. Hazrat Aisha. B. Hazrat Hafsa. C. Hazrat Khadija. Or D. Hazrat Fatima. The correct answer is C. Hazrat Khadija. Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu anha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, was the first woman to accept Islam and support the Prophet. Question 9. Which city is known as the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? Option A. Medina, B. Mecca, C. Jerusalem, or D. Taif. The correct answer is B. Mecca. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him was born in Mecca in the year 570 CE. Question 10. What was the first battle fought by the Muslims? Option A. Battle of Uhud, B. Battle of Khandaq, C. Battle of Hunain, or D. Battle of Badr. The correct answer is D. Battle of Badr. The Battle of Badr was the first major battle in Islam, fought in 624 CE. Question 11. Which animal is mentioned by name in the Quran and is linked with the story of the people of the cave? Option A. Cat, B. Donkey, C. Dog, or D. Horse. The correct answer is C. Dog. In Surah Al-Kahf, a dog is mentioned as sitting at the entrance of the cave with the sleepers. Question 12. Which surah in the Quran is known as the heart of the Quran? Option A. Surah Al-Fatiha, B. Surah Al-Baqarah, C. Surah Al-Kahf, or D. Surah Yasin. The correct answer is D. Surah Yasin. Surah Yasin is often called the heart of the Quran due to its powerful themes. Question 13. How many years did Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him receive revelation in Mecca before migrating to Medina? Option A. 10 years, B. 13 years, C. 15 years, or D. 23 years. The correct answer is B. 13 years. Holy Prophet peace be upon him preached in Mecca for 13 years before the migration to Medina. Question 14. What is the name of the tree mentioned in the Quran that grows in hell? Option A. Sidratul Muntaha, B. Tuba, C. Zakum, or D. Yaqeen. The correct answer is C. Zakum. Zakum is a tree in hell mentioned in Surah As-Safat, verse 62. Question 15. What is the name of the angel responsible for blowing the trumpet on the Day of Judgment? Option A. Jibreel, B. Mikael, C. Israfil, or D. Israel. The correct answer is C. Israfil. Angel Israfil will blow the trumpet to signal the end of the world. MashaAllah, you made it to the end of the quiz. May Allah increase us all in knowledge and help us act upon it. Ameen. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And which question surprised you the most? If you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more weekly Islamic quizzes, inshallah.